Bonjour! Welcome back to my channel Aku Galaxy. And I want to ask you a question first of all. Are you taking interest in French? Mm-mm. I am taking this is fixed. This is totally a writer statement that I'm taking an interest in learning French. Because when I started this journey on day one, I mean, before starting day one, I was thinking that what should I do? This is a good thing or not? What will I do after learning French? Lots of thoughts. But now, literally, I'm thinking only one thing. I'm learning a new language. And literally, I'm taking interest in it. Isn't it a good idea? What do you think? I think it's a very, very, very nice thing that I'm learning a new language. Okay, I know Hindi, I know English. Now I'm learning French. Oh my God, this is amazing. Okay, we have learned a lot in day one to day four. Today is day five, and we are gonna learn months of the year. Mm-mm-mm. Are you are you ready? Let's get started. So, what's your word? Just repeat after me, okay? Let's start. Janvier, February, Mars, Avril, May, Juin, Juin, Août, September, like okay? September, October, November, December. Actually, I want to say you like I'm also pronouncing it like 90% correct. Okay. Yeah, I know. Like some of them are easy, but some of them are a little bit confusing. Okay. So that's why I think I have to improve it a little more. Okay. So yeah, I am learning, you are learning. And after that, after 45 days, I want to see my result. Like, um, what happened with me? Like, how much I learned French. Okay, like if I can speak fluently, or yeah, I can make sentences by myself. And yeah, I want to say you one thing more. Like, since I'm learning French, I learned lots of word and literally everything gonna be everything like easy. I feel everything easier now. When I was studying, not that, but now I feel a little bit अच्छा तो हो गया है. I'm comfortable with the words. So that's all for today. तब तक के लिए see you later.